What happens if a construction project in the Philippines with foreign participation is covered by an arbitration agreement which provides that the arbitration shall be conducted by another arbitration institution other than the CIAC. I'm Attorney Autea. In this lecture, we will examine the relationship between the exclusive jurisdiction of the Construction Industry Arbitration Commission, or the CIAC, over construction arbitration disputes and the obligation of the Philippines under the New York Convention to recognize arbitration agreements and arbitral awards involving other jurisdictions. This lecture will present to the participants a certain measure of caution which the stakeholders in construction arbitration, parties and counsel, must be aware of when they submit to CIAC jurisdiction.